Hello friend, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to show that f of x plus f x 1 by x greater than or equal to 2. So here first I'm going to calculate this value. So here given things is fx equal to 1 minus x 1 plus x. So here f of x. So in place of this one, going to write this all. So here we can write 1 minus x 1 plus x. Now hereafter the new value come f 1 minus x f 1 minus x and 1 plus x. So in place of this one, okay, we need to write this all. So here 1 minus 1 minus x 1 plus x divided by 1 plus in x, okay, in x place we need to write this all things we need to write in x place. So this place that has completed. Now this place going to write 1 minus x 1 plus x. So directly I'm going to calculate the value without any wasting. So 1 plus x going to go up if you do the LCM. Now hereafter minus that multiply this all. So minus 1 come, minus into minus, that come plus. Hereafter 1 plus x, the same thing going to calculate 1 plus x, that multiply with 1, and here 1 minus x 1 plus x. So 1 plus x 1 plus x, this will going to cancel. Hereafter 1 that cancel, here x cancel. So the new value is now it come 2x, and here 1 plus 1, that is 2 cancel. So here the value of f of x is now only x. So this thing we need to remember. So x calculated. Now hereafter next we need to calculate this all. So here fx value is now 1 minus x 1 plus x. Hereafter going to calculate 1 by x value. So in place of x we need to write 1 by x. So if you x going to up, and hereafter x minus 1 x plus 1 divided by x. Directly I calculated without wasting time. X minus 1 x plus 1. So here if you do the LCM, it come x minus 1 x that I written x1 LCM, x go up x plus 1. Hereafter x that cancel, f of 1 by x value is now x minus 1 x plus 1. So here next is the next thing f of x f of 1 by x. So this place we need to write this all x minus 1 x plus 1. Now hereafter f. So fx value is now given things, fx value is now 1 minus x 1 plus x. So in x place we need to write this all. So first I'm going to write 1. Now in x place we need to write this all. So minus one more in x plus, okay, we need to write this all. So x minus 1 x plus 1. The same thing 1 in x plus we need to write this all x minus 1 x plus 1. X plus 1 that go up, minus come multiply with minus x, minus minus 1 and hereafter x plus 1 that go up, x minus 1. So here x cancel, 1 1 cancel. Now the value of f 1 by x is now 1 plus 1 that come to, okay, I did little mistake, 1 1 cancel, not x, and x plus x, that is 2x. So here this value is now come 1 by x. So finally we need to calculate, we need to do the sum. So here this value is now, this value it come, if I calculated f of x, the value come x. Here you can see x, and this value is calculated, it come 1 by x. Okay, and here greater than equal to 2. So if I take the LCM, x square plus 1 x greater than equal to 2. So if I put x value is now 1. Okay, so if I put x value is now 1, because here question given x greater than 0. So if I put x value is now 1, so here 1 square 1, this is now 1 1. Okay, 1 square 1 plus 1 below 1 greater than 2. So here 1 plus 1 that come 2 divided by 1 greater than 2. So 2 equal to 2. 2 greater than equal to 2, or we can write 2 equal to 2. So here it satisfies the condition, so that here it's a proof. Okay, so this value, if I put x value is now 1, like that, if we can put x value is 2. So if I put the x value is 2, here 2 square 4 plus 1, and hereafter 2 5 by 2, it calculate 2.5 come 2.5 greater than 2. So it all, this condition also satisfies, so that it's proved. So this is the way we can find f of x plus f of 1 by x, and f of x, this value calculated, this value when I calculate 1 by x come. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.